love it.
Yes. So I definitely want to just get into how we met. I'm gonna run it down on how I came across you. Okay, so I came across your podcast as I was moving back up north. And I was like, all right, let me subscribe, but I'm gonna listen to it because I had a lot going on. I had relocated up here due to a company paid for me to move up here. So, and then I ran into it again on YouTube, and then I seen someone on there. I'm not gonna say her name because we did not end on the best terms, but and then I was like, okay, let me listen. I gotta listen. And then I saw your stuff and I was like, I like this. I was like, I have to contact her, but I feel like it needs to be genuine. I don't like stuff being forced. Mm-hmm. So then when I commented on one of your YouTube channels on one of the interviews, I was like, yeah, I think it's time. Like it's a pandemic going on. It's time. I'm kind of moving. I'm kind of like migrating that way. So I need to start reaching out and stop like pushing this to the side because it's going on. Yeah, it's like over a year. Like let me actually reach out and start building or something like that. And then, and then just November, December. That's when I reached out, proposed it to you. I was like, yeah, I need to get this going because I want to. I love working with independent fashion designers. They're not tamed by the industry, the politics, and their ideas are so much like more lively to work with. And with me having a background working with luxury brands, I feel like I can bring, that idea to life. I can give them the roadmap to their ideas to go to market phase. So that's why I connected with you to do that workshop. And I was like, yes, let's get into it.
All right. Okay. Well, I'm excited. I didn't even know all that back end stuff. That's the first one telling me that. I had no idea. I might have to figure out who that person is too, because now I want to know. After off camera, I was like, I don't know who that is now.
It's a small network up here.
I know.
Girl.